Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the grand finals of the People's Program, Mastana Bahar. Mastana Bahar is a contest program which was founded on the 4th of July 1970 by the late Sham Mohammed, and it has been designed especially to bring to the fore the talent of Trinidad and Tobago. Today we are coming to you from the Rampasad Brothers Ranch at a Raju Trace, San Francisco village in Pinal, and we of Mastana Bahar must say thank you to our host Devanand Rampasad, his wife Zanifa, and all the folks here at the Rampasad Brothers Ranch. We'd like to thank them for allowing us the use of their premises to tape today's grand final. As usual on our program, all the scintillating music is being provided to us by members of the Rampasad Brothers Ranch Orchestra, led by youthful and talented Suresh Rampasad. Our director today is Mr. Steve Rampasad from TTT, and he's all set to begin our contest. But first, let's introduce our panel of judges for our grand finals, all of them talented sons and daughters of Trinidad and Tobago, officiating, letting us know all the winners of Mastana Bahar 2025. We welcome today Afza Mohammed, Madan Ramdas, Rajiv Hari, Devanand Mandev, Akshay Kandu, Shafirun Mohammed, Akash Kal, Nankishore Rampartap, Sheetal Sirjuddin Kal, Ricky Kandu, Bridgedev Mandev, and Colin Rampasad, all of them talented sons and daughters of Trinidad and Tobago, singers, musicians, dancers, performing artists, officiating, letting us know all the winners of Mastana Bahar 2025. We begin our contest straight away with a dance item. This is a 18-year-old UE student. She's doing a dance which tells the story of Radha's search for Krishna, culminating in their joyful reunion. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome from St. Augustine, contestant number 1, Haley Paisari. Founded on the 4th of July 1970 by the late Sham Mohammed and designed especially to bring to the fore the talent of Trinidad and Tobago. This is the People's Program, Mastana Bahar, our grand finals for 2025. And as usual, we are coming to you today from the Rampasad Brothers Ranch at the Raju Trace, San Francisco Village in Pinal. And you know, we of Mastana Bahar must say thank you to all the sponsors who make our show possible. Week after week, month after month, year after year, they are here supporting the development of culture here in Trinidad and Tobago. We must say thank you to the management and staff at Naipaul's Extra Foods Supermarkets. They have branches throughout Trinidad. We invite you to visit any branch of Extra Foods. There's always something extra for you. We thank them sincerely for their continued support. We also say thank you to our friends at Namalco Construction Limited of Vessany Village in Labre. They have the experience and equipment to handle any size project and deliver it on time. We salute all the folks at Namalco Constructions Limited. We say thank you to the management and staff at RNN Electronics, Roland and Nazreen Maharaj of San Fernando for all your electronic items. They even sell musical equipment and instruments at RNN Electronics. We invite you to visit them. And we must say thank you to the management and staff at 2001 Carpet House, Suresh, Satish, Michael Pariag, all the folks at 2001 Carpet House, located at Ramsaran Street in Chaguanas. That's the place you get all the rugs, all the carpeting, whatever you need for your home. We invite you to visit them. Here now is Annalise Mahabir to tell us who's next.
It's dance time again. This is a semi-classical dance entitled Nache Man Mora, which translates to My heart dances, blissful, the clouds have swirled in and the season is wet. Choreography and costume done by Rajesh Samru himself. Let's welcome from Orange Field Road, Karapichaima, grand finalist number 2, Rajesh Samru.
नाचे मन मोरा मगन टिकदा धीगी धीगी नाचे मन मोरा मगन टिकदा धीगी धीगी बदरा फिर आए रुत है भीगी भीगी नाचे मन मोरा मगन टिकदा धीगी धीगी नाचे मन मोरा मगन टिकदा धीगी धीगी टिकदा धीगी धीगी टिकदा पुकारे झूला झूले सखियां झूला झूले सखियां के घर आजा बालम हमारे घिर आए बदरा घिर आए रुत है भीगी भीगी नाचे मन मोरा मगन टिकदा भीगी भीगी टिकदा भीगी भीगी टिकदा टिकदा भीगी भीगी टिकदा.
Welcome back to the grand finals of the People's Program Mastana Bahar 2025. We'd like to take this opportunity to tell you you must take your entire family to dine at Jenny's on the Boulevard. You can call 625-1807 to make your reservation to have a sumptuous Italian, Oriental or American style meal, all available at Jenny's on the Boulevard. We invite you to take your entire family there, and we salute Jenny Sharma and all the folks at Jenny's on the Boulevard. We must say thank you to our friend Mr. Anthony Sinclair of Flowers 137, located at 137 Tragreet Road in Port of Spain. That's the place you can get flowers, bouquets and arrangements for every occasion. We invite you to call or visit Flowers 137. They'll take care of all your needs. We continue once again with the grand finals. Here now is Annalise once again.
Satyam Sankaran and Nikolai Kusi takes the spotlight with a heartfelt performance dedicated to Lord Ganesh, with a captivating dance to the devotional song Shri Ganaraya. The performance blends rhythm, expression, and devotion. Their song beautifully weaves devotion with artistry, bringing energy to the stage. The dancers added to the charm by designing and creating their own costumes and makeup, and showcasing not just their talent, but also their creativity behind the scenes. Please put your hands together and welcome grand finalist number 3, Satyam Sankaran and Nikolai Kusi.
ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्.
ಶರಣು ನಿನಗ ಶ್ರೀಗಣರಾಯ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ನಿನಗ ಸದಾ ಶಿವನ ಮಗ ಕಂಠಕ ಹರಣಗೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿವೆ ನಿನಗ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿವೆ ನಿನಗ ಸದಾ ಶಿವನ ಮಗ ಕಂಠಕ ಹರಣಗೆ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿವೆ ನಿನಗ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿವೆ ನಿನಗ ಶ್ರೀಗಣರಾಯ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ನಿನಗ ಶ್ರೀಗಣರಾಯ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ನಿನಗ ಶರಣು ಶರಣು ಶರಣು.
We say thank you to our friends at Kaleidoscope Paints Limited of Chancatrace in San Juan. They have been supporting the development of culture here in Trinidad and Tobago since 1971, and they continue to assist us on the People's Program Mastana Bahar. We salute Mr. Dale Parsan and all the folks at Kaleidoscope Paints Limited, the quality that colors your life. And we must say thank you to the #1 company for seasonings, spices and condiments here in Trinidad and Tobago, Chief Brand Products of the Uriah Butler Highway in Charleville. They are also distributors of Chiefy's snacks and Sudi's homemade ice cream and ice cream sandwiches available nationwide in parlors and groceries. Sudi's homemade ice cream. Look out for it and be sure to pick up your sample of Sudi's, distributed by Chief Brand Products of the Uriah Butler Highway in Charleville. We continue once again with our grand finals. Here now is Leanne Diane Duki to introduce our next item.
Singing an original Mahindra Kapoor selection from the 1963 movie Gumrah. The song translates, "Come, let us be strangers again. I shall no longer hope for any favors from you." From Chase Village, Sugarwaners, this is grand finalist number 4, Charan Singh.
चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. न मैं तुमसे कोई उम्मीद रखूं दिल नवाज़ी की, न तुम मेरी तरफ देखो गलत अंदाज नजरों से. न मेरे दिल की धड़कन लड़खड़ाए मेरी बातों में, न जाहिर हो तुम्हारी कश्मकश का राज नजरों से. चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. तुम्हें भी कोई उलझन रोकती है पेश कदमी से, मुझे भी लोग कहते हैं कि ये जलवे पर आए हैं. मेरे हमराह भी रुसवाइयाँ हैं मेरे माजी की, मेरे हमराह भी रुसवाइयाँ हैं मेरे माजी की. तुम्हारे साथ भी गुजरी हुई रातों के साए हैं. चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों. है तन ताल्लुक बोझ बन जाए तो उसको छोड़ना अच्छा। वो अफसाना जिसे अंजाम तक लाना न हो मुमकिन, वो अफसाना जिसे अंजाम तक लाना न हो मुमकिन, उसे एक खूबसूरत मोर देकर छोड़ना अच्छा। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों। चलो एक बार।
The talent of Trinidad and Tobago. This is the People's Program, Mastana Bahar, the Grand Finals, and you are watching us on TTT, the home for culture here in Trinidad and Tobago, as we continue to salute our many sponsors. We also say thank you to our friends at 2001 Carpet House of Ramsaran Street in Chaguanas. We say thank you to the management and staff at Gopal Brothers Jewelers of High Street in San Fernando, distributors of Ajanta wall clocks. We say thank you to our friend Mr. David Budu of David Budu's Funeral Home, located at School Street all the way in Rio Claro. In your time of grief, contact David. You can call him at 644-2073 for more information. And we must say thank you to our friend Mr. Rishi Dukan of Villa Cafe of Arangwes Main Road in Arangwes for all your printing, call cards, company profiles. They do everything at Villa Cafe of Arangwes Main Road in Arangwes. Here now is our reigning Miss Joy, Miss Mastana Bahar Queen, Karishma Subnaik, to introduce our next item.
Dance takes the spotlight now. This is a semi-classical dance which gives praises to Lord Shiva, entitled Chandrachuda, to the Almighty Shiva, beloved of Parvati. Salutations to him who has the moon around his hair lock. Costume and choreography was done by Rajesh Samaru. Hairstyle and makeup was done by the students themselves. Props were done by Hema Tulsi and Platinum Deco. Let's welcome the Saraswati Girls High School, Charlieville, Chaguanas.
चंद्रचूड शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण निनगे नमो नमो। चंद्रचूड शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण निनगे नमो नमो। सुंदर कर पिराग धर सुंदर कर पिराग गंगा
We say thank you to the management and staff at Vic Mall Limited, located at the IDC Estate, Chase Village in Chaguanas. At Vic Mall, they manufacture foam, chip foam, and furniture products, and they specialize in the manufacture of mattresses. Whatever type of mattress you're looking for, contact Vic Mall Limited at the IDC Estate, Chase Village in Chaguanas. We also say thank you to the management and staff at Naipaul's Book Center, Craft and Bridal Shop, located in the heart of Arima. We invite you to visit them. We say thank you to Mr. Boise Budu of Budu's Funeral Home, located just up the road here at the SS Erin Road, where they also have their crematorium. In your time of grief, contact Budu's Funeral Home. And we must say thank you to all our friends at Joseph Charles Bottling Works and Investments Limited, better known as Solo Beverages. And you know, Mr. Solo won the great race just a couple weeks ago. We congratulate them. We say thank you to Mr. Ken, his son Hayden, and the entire management and staff at Solo Beverages. And Solo is available nationwide. Here once again is Annalise to introduce our next grand finalists.
Bo Shambhu is a powerful invocation of Lord Shiva, the cosmic dancer and eternal source of creation, preservation, and dissolution. In this presentation, Shahid Ali brings peace to life with the timeless vocabulary of Bharatanatyam. With sharp yet fluid movements, intricate foot movements, and majestic postures, he captures Shiva's Tandava. Through this performance, the audience is invited into the sacred space of Bharatanatyam, where music, rhythm, and devotion unite. Coming in from Europe, let's welcome grand finalist number 6, Shahid Ali.
संकाशं त्रिनेत्रं पंचवक्त्रकं गंगाधरं दशभुजं सर्वा आभरणभूषितं नीलग्रीवं शशाङ्कां नागयज्ञोपवीतं व्याघ्रजन्मोदरीयं च वरेण्यं अभयप्रदम् स्मरुनि अंतःकरणे तुझलज्जे वेला देहचरणे तुझिया
मजसी सामर्थ द्यावे
अंतःकरणे तुझला ठेविला देहचरणी तुझिया माझसी सामर्थ्य द्यावे हे नटराजा सर्वस्वाचे हवन मांडले
मजमती द्यावी जगदीशा
शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो ताकतों किडदिक दरकिडों ताकतों किडदिक दरकिडों किडदिक दरकिडों किडदिक दरकिडों ताम तकिट दीन तकिट 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 ताम तकिट तकिट ताम तकिट तकिट ताम तकदिबि तकजुडु तत्तरिगदाम तत्तरिगदाम तत्तरिगदीम तत्तरिगदाम तरिगदाम 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 तत्तकदिनदाम तत्तकदिनदाम तकदिनदाम तदिंकिडद तकदिंकिडद तकदिगुददिंकिडद तत्तकदिनदाम तत्तकदिनदाम तकदिनदाम तदिंकिडद तकदिंकिडद तकदिगुददिंकिडद तत्तकदिनदाम तत्तकदिनदाम तकदिनदाम तदिंकिडद
Welcome back to the grand finals of the People's Program Mastana Bahar, and you're viewing us on TTT, the home for culture here in Trinidad and Tobago, as we continue to say thank you to all our sponsors in 2025. We must say thank you to our friends Sham and Brandon Babulal and all the folks at Brandtech Limited. If it's rubber and it rolls, Brandtech has it. They have tires for all applications. You can check them out at Londonville Main Road in Chaguanas. Brandtech Limited doing their part in the upkeep and development of culture here in Trinidad and Tobago. And we must say thank you to our friend Mr. Kamal Hakim and the management and staff at Carlson Chemicals Limited, located at Orangefield Road in Karapichaima. That's the place where you can get all the friendly advice for home gardening, commercial gardening. You get fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, and great advice from Carlson Chemicals Limited. We continue now with our grand finals. Here now is Aliyah Basdev to introduce our next item.
The next finalist will be performing the song Hothon Se Chub Tum from the movie Prem Geet. Coming in from Barkpur, let's welcome grand finalist number 7, Shane Sicharan.
होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत हमर कर दो होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत हमर कर दो बन जाओ मीत मेरे मेरी प्रीत हमर कर दो ना उम्र की सीमा हो ना जन्म का हो बंधन ना उम्र की सीमा हो ना जन्म का हो बंधन जब प्यार करे कोई तू देखे केवल मन नई रीत चला कर तुम ये रीत अमर कर दो नई रीत चला कर तुम ये रीत अमर कर दो आकाश का सूनापन मेरे तन्हा मन कर दो तुम हार के दिल अपना मेरी जीत हमर कर दो हो तो से झूलो तुम मेरा गीत हमर कर दो बन जाओ मीत मेरे मेरी प्रीत हमर कर दो हो तो से झूलो तुम मेरा गीत हमर कर दो.
As we continue to salute our many sponsors, we say thank you to our friend Mr. Inchan Mohan of Priya's Creations with branches in North, Central and South Trinidad for all your East Indian wear. We invite you to visit Priya's Creation, any branch. They have everything and lots of items for you to choose from. We say thank you to our friend Mr. Randy Jairam, located at the Hair Ferry Limited. You can contact Randy for an appointment 723-2863 for him to take care of your hair at the Hair Ferry Limited. We also say thank you to our friend Mr. Ryan Rattan of the Rainbow Resort located at Crown Point in Tobago. For more information, contact Ryan at 375-1958. Here once again is Leanne Diane Duki to introduce our next item.
Our next finalist is a civil engineer by profession, but he has a passion for music. Singing the 1966 hit song by Manade, let's welcome from Kunupia, grand finalist number 8, Nicholas Dindial.
चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया 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 उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया दुखनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया दुखनिया रे बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया बर्फी के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी बजजवा दुखनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी बजजवा दुखनिया रे कबरा के सब रस कबरा के सब रस कबरा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया कबरा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोहलिया रे पिंजरे वाल मुनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी पनवदिया दुखनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी पनवदिया दुखनिया रे बीरा के सब रस बीरा के सब रस बीरा के सब रस ले लिया लिया रे पिंजरे वाले मुनिया मीरा के सब रस ले लिया रे पिंजरे वाले मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोह लिया रे पिंजरे वाले मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोह लिया रे पिंजरे वाले मुनिया थैंक यू
We say thank you to our friends at Namalco Construction Limited of Vessany Village in Lebre. We say thank you to Mr. Boise Budu of Budu's Funeral Home just up the road here on the SS Irene Road. And we say thank you to thebesttoys.com of Freeport. Here now to introduce our next grand finalist once again is Karishma Subnaik.
Coming in from Bachia Trace Pinal, the next contestant will be singing a ghazal which was originally done by Pankaj Udas. Portrayal is done by contestants' friends and family. Let's put our hands together and welcome grand finalist number 9, Anand Adhin.
चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा सोने जैसे बाल एक तू ही धनवान है गोरे बाकी सब कंगाल चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा सोने जैसे बाल एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी बाकी सब कंगाल एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी बाकी सब कंगाल जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए जिस रास्ते से तू गुजरे वो फूलों से भर जाए तेरे पैर की कोमल आहट सोचे भाग जगाए जो पत्थर झूले गोरी तू वो हीरा बन जाए तू जिसको मिल जाए वो जिसको मिल जाए वो हो जाए माला माल एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी बाकी सब कंगाल चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा सोने जैसे बाल एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी बाकी सब कंगाल जो बेरंग हो उस पर क्या क्या रंग जमाते लोग, जो बेरंग हो उस पर क्या क्या रंग जमाते लोग। तू नादान न जाने कैसे रूप चुराते लोग, नजरें भर भर देखे तुझको आते जाते लोग। छैल छबीली रानी थोड़ा, छैल छबीली रानी थोड़ा घूंघट और निकाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब गंगा। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब गंगा। चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, सोने जैसे बाल। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब गंगा। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब गंगा। एक तू ही धनवान है गोरी, बाकी सब गंगा।
Welcome back to the grand finals of the People's Program, Mastana Bahar, coming to you today from the Rampasad Brothers Ranch at Raju Trace, San Francisco Village in Pinal. You know, when we come back here in a couple of weeks from now, we have no results on our show today. But when we reassemble here to tabulate all the marks for the grand finals of the Children of Mastana, as well as this grand finals, Mastana Bahar 2025, we would be having our Miss Joy, Miss Mastana Bahar Queen Show, all with the compliments of our friends at Indus Merchants Limited. We say thank you to Mr. Ved Janwani and the entire staff at Indus Merchants Limited. They're giving us a first prize of $10,000 in solid liquid cash. We must thank them for their continued support towards the development of culture here in Trinidad and Tobago. And Miss Joy products, skincare and hair care products are available at leading cosmetics counters, and even some groceries have it throughout Trinidad and Tobago. We invite you to pick up your sample of Miss Joy Beauty Care products. We also have a number of other sponsors for our Miss Joy, Miss Mastana Bahar Queen Show, including the fine folks at Paint Masters Limited of the Eastern Main Road, Garden Village in Aruca. If you're painting over your vehicle, whatever you need, paint, equipment, tinners, whatever you need when you are doing over your vehicle, visit Mr. Stephen Budram at Paint Masters Limited on the Eastern Main Road, Garden Village in Aruca. We also say thank you to the management and staff at Sasha Cosmetics. They have image centers throughout Trinidad and Tobago. We invite you to visit any Sasha Cosmetics image center for your next makeover. And Sasha Cosmetics also available at leading cosmetics counters throughout Trinidad and Tobago. We must say thank you to our friends, the management and staff at Darren's Car Sales Limited, Papuri Road via San Fernando for all your foreign use vehicles. We invite you to visit Darren's Car Sales Limited, your one-stop shop for foreign use vehicles. They have insurance, everything. You get everything financing on site at Darren's Car Sales Limited. Here now is Suana Sung to introduce our next item.
Our next item is an original Asha Bhosle selection taken from the movie Umrao Jan, entitled Dil Cheez Kya Hai. It translates, forget my heart, take my life instead, but just for once, listen to what I have to say. Coming from Chiklan Village in Freeport, please welcome contestant number 10, Rihanna Pooja Bagalu.
मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए जीत क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए बस एक बार बस एक बार बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए मान लीजिए मान लीजिए
We say thank you to Mr. Robin Singh and his son Vidal Singh of Robin's Used Car Mart and Vidal's Recording Studio, located on the Eastern Main Road in Sangre Grande. For more information, we invite you to call Robin or Vidal at 378-0907. We say thank you to our friend Vijay of the Rampasad Brothers Orchestra. He's the owner and main man at VNS Auto Body Shop located right here in Debe. For more information, call Vijay at 290-3651. Here once again is Leanne to introduce our next item.
Dance takes the spotlight now. This group will be dancing to the popular song from the movie Karan Arjun with choreography, costuming, makeup and hairstyle by Zenora Khan. Dancers range from 18 to 65 years old. Today they are sponsored by Bidesi Townhouses Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, this is grand finalist number 11, Zena's Creative Dance Academy.
Chup 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 chup
मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई। मुझको राणा जी माफ करना, गलती मारे से हो गई।
We say thank you to our friend Sudesh of the Hair Lab, located right here on the Rampasad Brothers Ranch. That's the place where you can style your hair. You can contact Sudesh at 347-6734 to make an appointment at the Hair Lab right here on the Rampasad Brothers Ranch. We also say thank you to our friend Mr. Mitra Maraj at Met Wholesale Limited, located at Nanan Trace in Aranguez. If you're a small store owner, wholesaler, retailer, you're looking for stock for your store, we invite you to visit Met Wholesale Limited at Nanan Trace in Aranguez. They literally have thousands of items on display for you to choose from at Met Wholesale Limited. Here once again is Karishma to introduce our next item.
Hailing from Mission Road, Freeport, this contestant will be doing a dance in a semi-classical style with intricate hand and foot movements. The title of the song is Gori Tori Pai Janiya, and it tells of a young woman's rosy cheek and captivating eyes. Costume, hair and makeup was done by Vishal Puran and Amanda Lachman, while props by Reese Pinata City. Let's put our hands together and welcome grand finalist number 12, Cheyenne Dukran.
गोरी तोरी पैजनिया, गोरी तोरी पैजनिया, पैजनिया, गोरी तोरी पैजनिया। बैरन कहाँ सुनती है, बैरन कहाँ सुनती है, ये छम से बज उठती है। ये छम से बज उठती है, नी पर मरे नी सतो है बना देगी ये दुल्हनिया। गोरी तोरी गोरी तोरी गोरी तोरी पैजनिया, पैजनिया, गोरी तोरी पैजनिया। गोरी तोरी गोरी तोरी गोरी तोरी पैजनिया पैजनिया गोरी तोरी गोरी तोरी पैजनिया गोरी तोरी हाँ गोरी तोरी हाँ गोरी तोरी
Founded on the 4th of July 1970 by the late Sham Mohammed and designed especially to bring to the fore the talent of Trinidad and Tobago. This is the People's Program Mastana Bahar, and you are viewing us on TTT, the home for culture here in Trinidad and Tobago. As we say thank you to some more of our sponsors, including the fine folks at Namalco Construction Limited of Vestini Village in Lebre. We say thank you once again to Mr. Ken, his son Hayden, and all the folks at Solo Beverages Limited. And we must say thank you to all our friends at Brandtech Limited, Sham and Brandon Babulal, and all the folks at Brandtech Limited of Londonville Main Road in Chaguanas. Here once again is Aliyah Bazdew to introduce our next item.
Dance takes the spotlight once more. Blending expression with elegance, the dancers bring the haunting melody of Ami J. Tomar to life, using each gesture and step to tell a story of longing and surrender. Their performance captures both beauty and intensity of this timeless piece. The dancers are backed by the senior members of the Prema Shakti dancers. Choreography, costuming, hair and makeup were done by Chantal Prasad and Shalini Suchit Rupnarayan. Coming in from Cuba, please put your hands together for grand finalist number 13, Trisha Surajbali and Alicia Ramsey.
Thank you to the management and staff at Kaleidoscope Paints Limited of Chanka Trace in San Juan, with us since 1971. and they continue to support the development of culture here in Trinidad and Tobago. We also say thank you to our friend Mr. Sahadev Partap of CP's Plumbing and Hardware Limited, located at Duncan Village via San Fernando. From foundation to finish, you get everything at CP's Plumbing and Hardware. We thank him for his continued support. And we also say thank you once again to Mr. Boise Budu of Budu's Funeral Home and Crematorium, located just up the road here at the SS Erin Road. We thank him for his continued support. Here once again is Karishma Subnaik to introduce our final grand finalists.
Coming in from Papuri Road, Lower Barkpore, the next contestant will be singing a popular chutney song entitled Mohi Lagiri, all while accompanying herself on the keyboard. Let's put our hands together and welcome grand finalist number 14, Chandrauti Rambaran.
Savariya mein
Welcome back to the grand finals of the People's Program Mastana Bahar 2025. This is the final segment in this evening's edition. We had our grand finalists for grand finals today, and our grand finalists are here. Put your hands together one more time for all 14 grand finalists who took part in today's edition of our program. We have no results on our show today. When we come back here in a couple weeks from now, we'll have all the results of the children of Mastana, Mastana Bahar, and our Miss Joy, Miss Mastana Bahar Queen show at that time. And then and only then the marks will be tabulated and we'll know all the winners for 2025. In the meantime, we continue to salute some more of our sponsors, especially those on our beautiful Isle of Tobago. But first, we say thank you to Vicmore Limited of IDC Estate, Chase Village in Chaguanas. They manufacture foam, chip foam, and furniture products, and they specialize in the manufacture of mattresses at Vicmore Limited. Contact them if you need a mattress. As I was saying, we say thank you to all our sponsors on our beautiful sister Isle of Tobago. We must say thank you to the management and staff at Yachts Marketing Limited. That's at Orange Hill, just as you're going down into Scarborough. For all your meats and supply, you get everything at Yachts Marketing Limited. We thank Mr. Farouk Yatali for his continued support. We say thank you to the management and staff at Trinbago Curry House and Roti Shop. They're located on Robert Street, just opposite Stumpy's Bypass. When you're in Tobago and you're looking for a good roti, check out Trinbago Curry House and Roti Shop. We say thank you to our friend Mr. Christopher Sinanan of Sinanan's West End Pharmacy located at Bonaccord in Tobago. We say thank you to the management and staff at the Green Palm Resort. Mr. Hakim Hussein and his staff located at Bonaccord in Tobago. That's a place you can stay when you visit our beautiful sister isle. We say thank you to the management and staff at Jimmy's Holiday Resort. We invite you to contact Laila Mustafa at 639-8292 for more information. We say thank you to our friend Mr. C.L. Rattan of Rattan's Car Rentals. He's located just as you come off the plane at Crown Point in Tobago. Call Mr. Rattan at 639-8271. He'll take care of you. We say thank you to the management and staff at Rainbow Resorts, Mr. Ryan Rattan. We invite you to call Ryan at 375-1958 for more information. You know, members of our audience here at the ranch were given ballots and they have voted for whom they would like to come first on our grand finals today. It's our chief brand, People's Choice results. We have Aliyah Basdew. All the ballots have been collected and they'll be presented to Rocky Gunpat for safekeeping by TTT. And when we come back here for our all-star presentation, we'll tabulate all the ballots and know who is the winner of our People's Choice for 2025. It's time now for everyone's favorite contest, Pick a Pan, with the compliments of our friends at National Flour Mills, manufacturers and distributors of the Lions brand range of products, and they have lots of products available nationwide. We have assisting us our Miss Joy, Miss Mastana Bahar Queen, Karishma Subnaik, and hailing all the way from Manzanilla, Mr. Chaitar Maniram. Karishma, can you select a number from our text print box? Let's see who would be the lucky person to come up for Pick a Pan today. We have a jackpot of $1,000.
Number 564, 564.
Text print number 564. Your chance to win $1,000 in cash with the compliments of our friends at Lions. Yes, man, we have a lady making her way on stage. Come right up to the microphone. Yes, come right up to the microphone and tell us what is your name.
Good night, everyone. My name is Wendy Mahadev.
Wendy, where do you live?
El Tecuch Gardens, Maracas, St. Joseph.
El Tecuch Gardens, Maracas, St. Joseph. A beautiful place to be living with a view. Yes, and the procedure is very simple. Just for coming up on stage today, you receive $50 in cash with the compliments of our friends at National Flour Mills. The procedure is very simple. I'm going to ask you a question. You have 5 seconds to answer the question. If you answer correctly, you get another $50, plus you'll get a chance to pick up on one of which contains a lion jackpot of $1,000. You ready to hear the question? No prompting from members of our audience. Today's question comes in to us from Brian Ramdeen of Jondalam Street in Aranguez. He now resides in our beautiful sister isle of Tobago. He is working over there. Brian wants to know, what is the Hindustani word for pigeon? Tell us. Kabotar. Kabotar is pigeon. I'm sorry, that means our jackpot is going up by another $500 to exceed $1,500 when we come back here for the All-Star presentation in a couple weeks from now. I now invite our liaison judges, Nankishore Rampartar, Afza Mohammed, and Nankishore Rampartar to present the envelopes to Rocky Gunpat for the safekeeping at Trinidad and Tobago Television until we come back here in a couple of weeks from now for our All-Star show. On behalf of our technical producer, Mr. Dexter Spence, on behalf of our director today from TTT, Mr. Stephen Rampasad, on behalf of our post-production person, Melissa Stanislaus, on behalf of my brothers, Kayal and Jamal Mohammed, my name is Sardar Mohammed, inviting you to join us next Saturday for the All-Star presentation of the People's Program, Mastana Bahar. Until we meet again, keep well. Adabars, Koda Hafiz.